we make copy ning chen dap su ni gi sham ne gong sa jam gun chum bo chok gong dang ge chu yi nga la phe pi kui chung kha la ga di to sum che cham ji ta shi de le sho che ku che thelo temper sho Kandirawa kori shingam so penda dewa male gyune jende zuwa tenzi gyam tuye shape sente ba the dengue je kadinche. Hi everyone, I'm Tenzin Chimi and today is a very special day because today is His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's 85th birthday. And I want to wish him a long life and I want to thank him for being an amazing spiritual leader. Thank you. Kanirawa kore shingamso penda dewa male gyuene jende suwa tenze gyamso e shape sinde badu tengyu che.